In today's video, let's talk about how to fix X login problem. Welcome back everyone to this new tutorial video. So if you're having issues logging into your X account, in this video, let me show you a few solutions that you can try out. Now, the first thing that you need to make sure is that you have turned off your VPNs or any sort of proxies that you may have enabled. Also, make sure that you set your date and time to automatic. If your date and time settings within your phone is not set to automatic, or if it does not match the actual time, this may be the exact issue that you're facing. So just head over to your phone settings, head over to your date and time settings, and make sure that you set this to automatic. Once you complete this step, and if you're still having issues with it, then in this situation, what you can try to do is try to uninstall and reinstall the application of Spotify. Sometimes what happens, bugs cause these sort of issues, and it may also due to app glitches. So once you uninstall and reinstall, you will have the latest version, and any sort of bugs which might be causing the issue should also be now fixed. Now, even after trying all of these steps, you're still having issues with it. What you can try out in this case is try to open up a web browser and try to see if you can log into your X account using the web. If you're having issues on the web version as well, this is likely due to being down right now. So in this situation, just wait out a few hours before the issue is automatically solved. I do hope this guide video was helpful to you. If it was, be sure to subscribe. I'm going to see you in the next one.